ॐ सहनाववतु
ॐ
सहनावतु
सहनाववतु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सहनौ
सहनौ
भुनक्तु
भुनक्तु
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै
सह
सह
वीर्यङ्करवावहै
वीर्यङ्करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
मा
मा
विद्विषावहै
विद्विषावहै
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति
शान्ति
शान्ति शान्तिः
शान्तिः
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
ॐ
शुक्लाम्बरधरं
शुक्लाम्बरधरं
विष्णुं
शशिवर्णै चतुर्भुजं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजम्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं
प्रसन्नवदनं
ध्यायेत्
ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
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 सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं
सरस्वती
सरस्वती
नमस्तुभ्यं
नमस्तुभ्यं
वरदे कामरूपिणी
वरदे
वरदे
कामरूपिणे
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे
सदा
सदा
येनाक्षरः समाम्नायम्
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम्
नायम्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
महेश्वरात्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
कृत्स्नं
व्याकरणं
व्याकरणं
प्रोक्तम्
प्रोक्तम्
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः
तस्मै पाणिनये
नमः
नमः
अकूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचूयशानां तालू
इचूयशानां तालु
इचूयशानां
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
ऋतुलसानां
ऋतुलसानां
दन्त्याः
दन्त्याः
उपध्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् औषधौ
औषधौ
यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
न्यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
एदैतौ कण्ठतालु
एदैतौ कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तौ कण्ठोष्ठम्
ओदौ तौ
ओदौ तौ
कण्ठोष्ठम्
कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
वकारस्य
वकारस्य
दन्तोष्ठम्
दन्तौष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
मूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूलम्
जिह्वामूलम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका
नासिका
अनुस्वारस्य
अनुस्वारस्य
ऐ उन्
I
Drul druk. Eong. I ouch. Hayavarat. Lan.
London
Yamagananam.
Yamagadam
Jabanj.
Jabanj
Khadhadash.
Ghadadash
Jabagadash.
Jabagadash
Khapa chata chatatau. Kapai.
Kapai
Shashasar.
Shashasar
Hal.
Hal
Iti maheshwarani sutrani.
Iti
Iti
Maheshwarani Sutrani
Before 2 weeks, we have seen the classification of samasa. They say there are 2 types of samasa. One is called Keval samasa and another is called Vishesha samasa. In Keval samasa, another name is Supas samasa. There is not much description in the Supa, but in Vishesha samasa, there are 4 Tatpurusha, Dvandva, Avyayi Bhavaha, Bahuvrihi. And among Tatpurusha, again 6 Samanya Tatpurusha, Karma Dharayas Tatpurusha, Dvigu Tatpurusha, Nanj Prabhutayah Tatpurusha, Ku Gati Pradi. There are some group of words which starts from Ku Gati are called Tatpurusha and Chvi Pratyaya. In Dvandva also there are 3 type of Dvandva: Itaretar Dvandva, Samahara Dvandva, Ekasheshah. Third one is called Avyayi Bhava. It is always in neuter, it will come, we will say at that time. And Bahuvrihi is a 4th type of samasa. So we can say Tatpurusha samasa is always Uttara Pada Pradhana, that we have seen. Dvandva samasa is both padas, means both words given equal importance. Avyayi Bhava samasa, which gives the importance to first word, and Bahuvrihi is Anya Pada Pradhana. Suppose Pitambaraha, it is Anya Pada. It always qualifies some another person or some another object. It is called Anya Pradhana. So from today we will start Tat Purushaha. It's called Uttara Pada Pradhana Samasaha. So Tat Purusha Samasa Uttarapada. So the meaning of Uttarapada, if I write Dasharatha Putraha, then Uttarapada is Putra. It is more important. The Putra of whom? Then we give the answer. So Putra is called Uttarapada Pradhana. And it is, we have seen Tat Purusha Samasaha combines 2 words, first of which qualifies or specifies the second one. As a general rule, the gender of the samasa is determined by its last member. If Putra is there, then the samasa becomes masculine. If some Putri is there, samasa become feminine. And there are different ways in which a word qualifies another. That we have seen. This Tatpurusha Samasa has also 6 categories. Samanya, Karmadharaya, Dvigu, Nanja, Tatpurushaha, Ku, Gati, Pradi and Chvi. So we will start from here. In Samanyat Purushaha, generally, really speaking, it based on vibhaktis. So this is Shashti Tatpurush, Trutiya, Panchami, Saptami, Chaturthi, Dvitiya. And Purvapada, these all are on the base of these all cases, second case, third case. And one is called Upapada. It will come, but suppose we say Kumbhakaraha. Kumbham Karoti, it is called Kumbhakaraha. It is called Upapada Tatpurush Samasa, but we will see when it times will come. So today we will start from this Samanya Tatpurushaha. So Samanya Tatpurushaha means Vibhakti Tatpurushaha. It is called Samanya Tatpurushaha. Uttarpada, second word is specified by the first word, Purvapada, in different cases. Sometime Uttarpad is qualified by first word in third case, sometime in fourth case, Vibhakti, other than first and last means vocative case. In between all cases. So we can say from second case. From second case, accusative, up to the seventh case, locative. All will come Dvitiya, are called Samanya Vibhakti Tatpurusha. And common, most common in among is called Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. So it is Devaputra, Devasya Putra. So Devasya is a Purvapada. It is not that much importance like Putra, which is Uttarapada, that we have seen. Now what I have said, the type of the Samanya Tatpurushaha is identified by the case number of the Purvapad, means first one. On that base, one is called Shashti Tatpurusha. Generally we used to say is a 6 TP. Suppose Trutiya, it is called 3 TP. Panchami, 5 TP, means fifth Tatpurusha, 7 TP, fourth TP, second TP. And Tatpurusha for which Purvapada is Avyaya, other than Pragatiku. So suppose Yatha Shaktihi. So Yatha is Avyaya, but it will come later. Now first they will say Shashti is the most common used everywhere. So they say this Samanya Tatpurush is first is Shashti Tatpurush. First frequently among all Samanya Tatpurusha. This is the frequently we use. And first note, in general, a word ending in genitive case, affix can be compounded as a Tatpurusha, that we know, with another word when there is a construction of, there are two types of this Sashti. One is called Sambandha Samanya Sashti and another is called Kruta Yoga Shashti. So what is the meaning of Sambandha, the relationship? This is said by a sutra. With Panini Sutra, it is Tatpurusha Vibhasha. So Panini gives exception of this general rule later with reference to Kruta Shashti Yogi. Generally, we will see when Kruta Yoga Shashti will come. So now we are going to see Shashti Tatpurusha first. Even in Sambandha, there are 5 types of Sambandha. They will describe and they will say the construction of the Sambandha Samanya Shashti are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 types. So first is called Swaswami Sambandha, the relationship Swami Dasah. Avayava, Avayavi Bhava Sambandha, part and whole limb and that main part. Prakriti Vikara Sambandha, D. Tadarthya Sambandha, fifth Janaka Janya Bhava Sambandha, fifth Samipya Sambandha. Vasatu me Bhagavan, may you keep with you, it is Samanya, near you. So now they have given example. Suppose Raja Purusha. So when we split this, it says Ragnaha Purusha. So it comes under Swaswami Sambandha because Ragnaha is a Swami and that person is connected with his master. So this is A is written here is called Swaswami Sambandha. So it is a person of the king. Same way Devaputraha. So we can say Devasya Putraha, a son of Devata. It comes under Janaka Janya. Deva is called father and Putra is a Janya. So it is written here E means it is a Janaka Janya Sambandha. Same way Ramadutaha, Ramasya Dutaha, a messenger of Rama. So Hanumanji is a messenger, Rama is a Swami. So again Saswami Sambandha. Rakshasa Kanya, Rakshasasya Kanya, again Janakajanya, a daughter of the Rakshasa. So it is again Vruksha Moolam. So Vrukshasya Moolam, Avayava Avayavi. So this is it be. So this Avayava and this Moolam is Avayava Avayavi. So limb is a second, Avyavi is the one who has Avyava. It's Vruksha is a Avayava, Moolam is Avayavi. Tapovanam, with after Gomukha Tapovanam used to come for tapas. The meaning is Tapasaha Vanam, a forest for the penance. So it is a D. The meaning of D is Tadarthya, for the which sake Tapovanam. So Tapovanam is for penance, for tapas, for austerity. That's why it comes under D category. Tadarthya, for the sake of tapas. Ganga Jalam. So Ganga Yaha Jalam. So it is written B. Means Avayava Avayavi. Ganga is Avayava. Water is a part of Ganga. So this, I think this is some problem. Ashwaghasah. Really speaking, Ashwasya Ghasah. Translation, what I have taken is a mountain of the horse. But really speaking, is a ghasah, is a fodder or grass of this Ashwa, means horse. But they have given ghas means mountain. I have checked many dictionary, but there is no word available of ghas called as a mountain. So they have given as a D, means tadarthya. So it is something is wrong here.
And
So
it looks like, Swaminiji, it looks like dha.
dhas.
I
Even
don't
if they dhas, so what is the meaning of dhas? There is
know.
no word, such word is dhas. I have checked.
Yeah. Okay.
There is a one more I would like to show. You might be knowing, I don't know. But there is a Kosha Sanskrit. There is one website is called Kosha Sanskrit today. Every word if you write, it will give the detail. So it is very important who are interested in Sanskrit grammar. Kosha Sanskrit today. It will come like a red. So if we write here even dhasa, if you say dhasi, dasas, if you say dasas, suppose, maybe dasas. They have
Mountain.
given as a
Yeah,
mountain.
mountain.
Yeah, as a mountain. So dasas is a mountain. So it is very helpful, this dictionary is. So it says, so this is called Ashwadasah, a mountain. So what is they have put as a D. So D is for the sake of mountain,
For the sake of.
for the sake, Dasah.
Actually, it's a mountain.
So something is not, something is,
Yeah. It's a,
it is not
doesn't
exempt.
fit.
It doesn't fit. Maybe that, horse, it is not horse. What we call is look like a donkey. What is the name of that?
Khachar, huh?
Khachara, yeah. So Khachar, I don't know English, but
Yeah.
it is specific for Dasah.
Hmm.
Ashwa is not there. But still, yeah. Hiranya Ratha. So Hiranyasya Ratha, a chariot made by the god. It is called, this C means Prakriti Vikara. This is made of modification. Bhaya Hetuhu. So Bhayasya Hetuhu, the cause of the fear, again, Tadarthya. Why? It is for the sake of. So they have taken the cause of the fear. Raja Samipam. Ragnaha Samipam. Near of the king, it comes a first only, Samipya. Like we can tell to Ishvara, no? Keep under your feet. It is called Samipya. And Narottamaha, it is a common. Naranam Uttamaha, the best of men. Really speaking, this is called Nirdharane Shashti. Whole 10th chapter is Nirdharane Shashti. So here they have not given any ABCD. This is the one type. Now, Kruta Yoga Shashti, which is second. So what is the meaning of Kruta Yoga? So they have given one example.
Ma, 1 minute, sorry to disturb. This
Yeah.
Naranam Sasti is also means what to say? The
Nirdharane
Samas.
Shashti. Samasa only.
Yeah, okay.
Naranam. So always in Samasa, the vibhakti of first word goes. It is called Samasa.
Okay.
Narottama. Yeah. Now Kruta Yoga Shashti. So Idma Pravaschanaha. So Idma is called fuel. Pravaschana is called cutter. A cutter which is used for the fuel is called Idma Pravaschanaha. What does it mean, that I have shown you? This X, which is useful to cut the tree for the Samhita sake, fuel sake. So if how we translate, I use Idma Pravaschana for maybe we say cooking purpose. So at that time, this Idma Pravaschana always takes second case. So if you check, they have given Karmani Shashti. Even though it is Sashti, but it comes under second case, Karmani Sashti. That's why it is called Kruta Yoga Shashti. Same way, Palasha Shatanaha. So Palashasya Shatanaha. Again, Shatana is a cutter, but Palasha means, delicate foliage. So a cutter for the foliage. Again, it in the sense of Karmani Shashti. So that's why this is called Palasha Shatanaha. And this is Idma Pravaschana. Interesting, I have taken because Brahma Jignasa. Athato Brahma Jignasa. It is called Brahmanaha Jignasa, a desire to know of Brahman. So a desire to know, but we never say of Brahman. We say a desire to know Brahman. So this to know Brahman comes under second case. I have desire. If we ask desire of what? To know who is Brahman. So the knowledge of anything will come in second case. That's why it is called Karmani Shashti. Same way, Mano Vicharaha. Manasaha Vicharaha. An inquiry of the mind. Again comes under Karmani Shashti. In second case, but we are using sixth case. This is Cheto Vrittihi. Chetasaha Vrittihi, a disposition of the thinking. So they have put as a Kartari Shashti. First case. So by Cheta Vrittihi, we always say my Vrittihi. So it is Kartari in the sense of first case, nominative. Swami Seva. Swaminaha Seva, a service of a Swami, Karmani Shashti. Paramatma Bhaktihi. Paramatmanaha Bhaktihi, a devotion for the Paramatma. But this is for, we are not using of the Paramatma. You are doing bhakti of whom? We say Ishwarasya, Ishwar Bhakti. This is also in the sense of second case. Karmani. That's why it is called Kruta Yoga Shashti. Even we split in sixth case, but in mind is the second case. Now we have finished this Shashti Tat Purusha. Here it is over. Now we are entering in Trutiya Tat Purusha.
Pamaniji,
Yeah.
you said it is in second case, but it sounds as though it is in first case, right? The words, all the words.
Yeah,
Idma
yeah, yeah.
Pravachana.
All words we can decline in any case. Samasa, again we can decline. It may
Decline, yeah.
become a pratipadika. Then
Yeah,
we can decline in any case.
Okay.
So now this Swami, so Brahma Jignasa. So Brahma Jignasa, yeah. Aham Pruchami. We can say, so we can translate in third case.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So now this is Trutiya. Second frequency among the Samanya Tat Purusha is Trutiya. So we can use in different way. So this is the note 1. So they say a word ending with the instrumental case affix is optionally compounded with what denotes quality or with the word artha. Here the meaning of artha is not meaning, but a artha, dharma artha kam, is a wealth. The quality in the sense of quality or in the sense of wealth instrumentally cause these things signified by what the ends with the third case affix. These all are the Panini Sutra, so I am not going in it. So this is Shankula Khanda. Khanda is a fragment or powdered. So what is the Shankulaya Khandaha? The fragmentation produced by the nippers. So this is a small Caesar, is called Shankula. A pair of nippers is called Shankula. So Shankulaya, so this is called 3TP. Because of this fragmentation is done with the help of this third case. Now arthaha, because they have given another meaning, dhanyarthaha, dhanyena arthaha. The wealth is acquired by a grain. Because in previous time, ancient time, if you have more grains, you are more wealthy. So dhanyarthaha means a person is wealthy because of the grain, with the help of the grains. Madandaha, madena andaha. A person is blind. Why? Because of intoxication. Mada may be because of liquor. Mada may be because of wealth. Mada in different way we can take.
Pride also.
Anyway, yeah. But mada, somebody have this intoxication because of I am very wealthy. Somebody says I am very scholar. So mada is not only because of liquor in Shastra. Mada, they can be mada in any different, whatever quality we have. That's why it is quality. Because they have said two, no? One is quality and one is artha. Same way kamandaha, kamena andaha. It is the blind because of the desire. It's called kama. Sadachara is a quality. Sukham. Sadacharena sukham. So this happiness because of the good conduct. So this sadachara, this kama, this mada is called quality. But this artha, dhanyartha is we are taking in the sense of the wealth. This is we can use this third TP means Tritiya Tat Purush. Now second, they say we can use
One minute. In this, the Tritiya Tat Purusha, it is very clear. Everything is in third case only. Dhanyena artaha, madena andaha. Whereas in that Karmani and Kartari,
Kruta
there are
Shashti is the difficult.
so many different cases. Why is that?
Only Kruta Shashti, it is a little bit, tricky. This is Shashti Tatpurus, otherwise is very easy. Only
Yeah.
Kruta Shashti Yoga.
Yeah,
Even,
because
even we
like,
don't know Kruta Shashti, no? We can
Yes.
say Brahmana Jignasa. We can take as a Shashti Tatpurusha only.
Yeah, Shashti. It must be a Pravaschanaha. Is Shashti Tatpurusha, I
Shashti
think.
only. But we are
So-
using this for the
For action.
action. Yeah, second case. That's why. What
That
you
is
are
good.
doing, yeah, that's why it's only.
Because that's why it's Krit Yoga Shashti.
Yeah, Kruta Yoga Shashti. Kruta. Actually, Krudanta we have not studied, no? Many Krudanta Pratyaya. Suppose Mati. So in Mati, there is a one Pratyaya is called Tin. Same Ramaha. So there is a Ram plus Ganj. So they all have their role. So this can create some, guna. This ka can do something. So all Panini Sutra. But all are called krudanta. Meaning of krudanta means we use verb, original verb, and we use krud pratyaya directly. Are called krudanta. So now this is second type of this Trutiya Tat Purush is, we can take, it is written, the word ending with the instrumental case affix when it denotes the agent and the instrument is compounded diversely with ends with kruta affix. And particularly, we have studied this antone, this past passive participle. I used to say PPP. Tistratah, Bhinnah, Hatah, Dashtah, all are called Krudanta. So they have given only past passive. So Haritratah, suppose there is a word Haritratah. So here Hari, Harina, Tratah. This is protected by Hari, but here this word is Kruta, means Krudanta. Here it is not Krudanta. Andaha Sukham. That's why they have taken even 3 TP we can use by using the Krudanta. So Nakhabhinnah, there is a one Kriyapada is called Bid. PPP means past passive participle is Bhinnah. Same Tra is there. Tra means Trayate, to protect. Tratah. Hatah. Damshta, this is called Damsha, to bite. But Dashtah, this will go and become Dashtah. This is Gruh, Gruhnati, it is the 9th conjugation. Gruhitah, Panina Gruhitah. These are Kartu Karanayoho Trutiya. So we are using 3 TP by using Krut affix. That's why they have given second type of third. Same way, another they say we can use 3 TP by using some words they have given Purva, Sadrusha, Sama, Mishra, Avaraha, this Unath, Kalaha, Nipunaha, Shlashmana, Shlakshna. So by using always third person will come. The meaning of Purva Rashtrapati, like this. So Purva means former or old. Sadrusham means similar or proper. Sama is same. Sadrusha and similar. Sama is same meaning, similar and proper. Mishra, mixed. Avara is lower or younger. Unatha means smaller. Kalaha, quarrel, fight. Nipuna is clever or perfect. Shlakshmana is smooth and gentle. So this is the Panini Sutra, need not to go. For this, all words, Trutiya Purush only, Tat Purusha, we have to use. So this is given example is Masa Purvaha, Masena Purvaha. Whenever this word come, we have to split this in third case only. So Purvaha, Masena Purvaha. Pitru Sama, Pitra Samaha. Matra Sadrushaha. Some lady, we can say it is look like my mother. Matra Sadrushaha. So Matru Sadrushaha. But when we split this Samasa, Matra Sadrushaha. Vak Kalaha. Vacha Kalaha. The quarrel by the speech. Vidya Nipunaha. Vidyaya, it is not Vidyaya. Vidyaya Nipunaha. Now Una means little bit less. Mashonaha. So what is the meaning of Masha? They use the weight in common use about the 17 grains. So in that measurement, little bit is less. Then we say it is less in Mashonaha. So particularly these words, whenever it is come, we have to split in our, if in come in Bhashyam or sometime, in 3 TP only. Same way Avaraha. So Masa Varaha, Masena Avaraha. Younger by a month. Guda Mishraha. Gudena Mishraha. Guda is there has written sugar but jaggery. So whenever the Kalyanam is fixed in our Gujarat, always Guda Mishra. First it is given to Guda. So somebody has asked one husband, which is the difficult thing to digest? So he said, Guda Mishra. It is still I cannot able to digest the Guda Mishra. This is Gudena Mishra. And Achala Shlakshnamaha. So Acharena Shlakshnaha. So the gentle conduct. So Acharaha means conduct. So we is very conduct. So this Shlashna is a new word, very gentle. It is very rough in speaking, difficult. But it is. So this is the third usage of TP, third Tatpurusha, now not four. So again, sometime we are cooking something. So they say a word ending with the instrumental case affix and denoting something used in cooking or preparing food is optionally compounded with a noun signifying food, and the resulting compound is third Tatpurusha. So the Dhyodanaha. Odanaha means rice or porridge. Dadana Odanaha. This porridge is cooked. It is coagulated milk but curd. Dadna. Same way Kshirodanaha. Odanaha. Again the rice is cooked by using the milk. So this is another usage of 3TP. Here again they have given a word ending with the instrument affix denoting a relish giving or refining the ingredient is compounded word again in Trutiya. So again this Gudadana, Gudena Danaha, a grain prepared with jaggery are called Gudadana. This is the fifth usage of 3TP. Is I think it is better word 3TP. Now there is a one word used by Panini. He used to say look. The meaning of look is elided, disappeared. But when we put a look, the meaning is that whatever you are using, something is not disappeared. So this is Trutiya, a look. So when third case is not elided in first word, so they have given the name Ojas, Sahas, Ambas, Tamas. These four words. So are they, if in third case we not put in Ojas only, it remains as it is. So it says this is the topic called Aluk Samasa in Panini. Adhikar Sutra. So in every Tatpurusha, some Aluk Samasa will come where Trutiya is not elided for Purvapada. So Anjasakrutam remain Anjasakrutam only. This Anjasakrutam is a split, but original word is also Anjasakrutam. Anjakrutam doesn't come like that. So speedy action. Anjasa means speedily. Krutam means action. Ojasakrutam. Ojasa means it's bright, powerful. So this is Ojasakrutam, remain as a Ojasakrutam, powerful action. Sahasadrashtam, immediately, unexpectedly, no, Sahasa. Sahasadrashtam, remain as a Sahasadrashtam. Tamasakrutam, it is done because of the ignorance, something. So Tamasakrutam, remain as it is. There is a one word is called Pumsa. Pumsa is a Pratipadika. Suppose it's called Pratipadika. So Pumsa is 3 by 1. Anujaha. So the meaning is elder brother. So Pumsa Anujaha remain as it is. Even if 3 by 1 remain as Aluk. There is a no elided of the third. Janusa Andaha. Janusa means by birth. Janus, birth. So by birth, this person is blind. Janusha Andaha. Because of Sandhi, it is called Sha. So they have given Panini Sutra. So ojas, sahas, ambhas, tamas, trutiyaha, aluk, uttarpade. So it doesn't get. And now I think this is the last.
So
Exceptional.
there is aluk with every vibhakti,
Yeah.
Swaminiji.
Yeah. Suppose Yudhishthiraha, no, I have told Yudhishthiraha last time. Yeah. Actually, this is
Yudhishthira.
Sthiraha. Yeah, actually is a Sthiraha. And Yudhi is a different. It is in seventh case.
Seventh case.
And
In
this
the back.
one by one. But it doesn't elide it. Yudhi is not Yudha. So it is remain.
Okay.
It is called Aluk. But it is a different. It is in seventh, Saptami.
Yeah.
Saptami
We didn't see
Tattva.
aluk in Sashti.
Shashti is not there, yeah. So whenever it will come, they will. So in Shashti it is not there. Saptami it will come.
Okay.
Now this is last one is other exceptional usage of Tritiya Tatpurushaha. Chaya Advitiyaha. So Chayaya Dvitiyaha. So Chaya Dvitiyaha, not Advitiyaha, Chaya Dvitiyaha. So Chayaya is a 3 by 1. A companion with the shadow. Why with the Chaya is the shadow, Dvitiya is a companion? They have translated. Ekadikam, Ekena Adikam. It is a superior or excellent by the one. But here the Dvitiya is they have taken as a companion. Yeah. So there is no school, no? If the children are there, so it is a companion with the shadow. So they have written as a Dvitiya is a companion. So Chaya Dvitiya. So this companion with the shadow. Ekadikam means ekena adhikam. This is very rare usage. Sometimes it just comes, and generally it comes in all kavya like Kalidasa. Here it doesn't come, particularly in our bhashya. So here 3 TP.
Ma, one thing,
Is-
1 minute.
Ha.
It is always singular. At
No.
first, chaya, it can, whatever we are using. all
No,
I
no,
find
that's
as
why I
singular.
said no. We can do all 7 by 3. We can use. Suppose Anjas Adhiskrutam or they don't know, but suppose Datyodanaha, so Datyodanaha, we can do, we can decline.
Decline.
Yeah,
No, I mean,
everything is
that
declined.
first one, the dyo, that will remain, the dhana, that will remain always 3 by 1, no?
Yeah, these remain 3 by 1.
And
So
then
what-
combine.
Yeah, what at that time they do, suppose Datyodanaha. So if you have sometime, if you check our Shankaracharya, they come. So first they say Dadya Odanaha Taha. Dadyodanaha. They say, then plural, they convert in plural. Like this, we have to split. I will show some, I will put in our group how it can be, it is a plural, then how can we split? First they split in singular, then they put in plural. Like that we have to split.
So this, the dyo, dhana, we can full declension like Ramaha.
Yeah, like Ramaha, yeah, definitely.
Any
So
of this
somebody-
word can be declined.
Somebody is
Because
sick,
these
no,
are all
somebody
saman.
is, no, somebody is sick. So somebody is sick, how we have to say sick? What is the English, Sanskritam?
Vyadhita,
Rogi.
Hmm?
Rogi.
Vyadhit,
Rogi? Something.
Vyadhigrasta.
Rogi.
Vyadhigrastaha.
Vyadhita.
Dadyo. So why somebody said, why is he sick? So Dadyodhanena Vyadhigrastaha. Some because of
Because of
eating.
eating
Yeah, we
from
can
the fridge.
decline, no problem.
Eating too much.
From the fridge.
Yeah.
Swaminiji, this last one, ekadikam, the last one.
Yeah,
Ekena adhikam, does it mean one, more than one? Or is it
superior.
excellent?
They have given as a, I think they have given like a
I think it
Excellent by
means
one.
more
No,
than one.
One is enough.
superior, yeah, excellent by the one, They have, because ekena, no? It is not among, that they we have to use plural.
One is sufficient, like.
No, no, it's more by one, you
Hmm.
know, something like that.
Superior or excellent by the one.
Adhikam means jada, na?
Yada, yeah, jada, more.
So ek,
So they have taken adhikam as a superior or excellent. And ekena is by the one. Somebody is superior by the one. So it must
By
be
himself.
said
By
in
himself.
some poem only.
Not by,
Yeah, some
it may be
poem.
by
or-
one, not by
by
the one.
one, that's what I was trying to
By
say.
one,
By
how
one.
is how it should be.
By one number, he
By
is
one.
more.
Because you know, this is done by some Japanese Swamiji. He doesn't know much
Okay.
English. That's why.
Yeah.
Oh,
Chaitanya.
So we have completed, yeah, still we have completed 3 TP and 6 TP, now 5 TP. So they have called as a Panchami Tat Purushaha, third frequency among this old Samanya Tat Purushaha. So again they have given some where we can use this 3 TP. So they have given the name. They say a noun in the ablative case form a tatpurusha samasa with bhaya, bhita. So whenever see this word, no, fear comes. So bhaya also, bhita is also frightened. Bhiti and bhi all have same meaning. Bhaya is also fear. Bhita is I am frightened. Bhita. Bhiti is a feminine, again fear. Bhihi is also. So whenever it used, a connected word is always in fifth case. So chora bhayam, chorat bhayam, a fear from the thief. Marana bhayam, maranat bhayam. Vigna bhayam, vignat bhayam, a fear from the obstacle or difficulty. Rog bhayam, rogat bhayam. They have given more. Vrukabhitaha, vrukabhitihi, vrukabhihi. The meaning is vrukat bhitaha, vrukat bhiti, vrukat bhihi. So this vruka means wolf. So whenever fear comes, connected word will go in fifth. This is weird. Same way, not two. They say a noun in the ablative can form tatpurusha with the word nirgata, freed from and jugupsuhu. Juhupsuhu, they have put here jugupsu. Again, I have checked the jugupsu or juhupsu. Jugupsu. Jugupsu spoken somewhere. Monier Williams, okay. Having dislike. So this is only jugupsu. So somewhere the Swamiji has put another juhupsu. So jugupsu is the correct. Here not juhupsu.
Not Jews.
No, this is jugupsu. This is correct. So this is jugupsu. So dislike or abhorrence. So nirgataha, come out, gone out. Gramat nirgataha. Adharma jugupsuhu. So adharmat jugupsuhu, having dislike for the wickedness. So he put also gup means to conceal, desiderative. So adharma. So for two words also, fifth TP, third, this they have given all words only. They says apeta, apoda, mukta, patita, apatrastehi, Alpashah, Panchami Tatpurushah. So apeta means departed, gone or free from. Upodha means driven near, brought about, advanced, accumulated. Muktaha, we know, liberated or released. Patitaha means a fallen or dropped. Apatrastaha means afraid of. If you check, this all are again past passive participle. Akta. Sukhapetah, sukhat apetah, that freed from happiness. Lo. Sukhat apetah must be in pain. So sukhat apetah, freed from the happiness. Kalpana podah, apodah. Actually, upodah, because of some reason, this u becomes a, and they say kalpanaya, because of some imagination. The brought about as the result from the decision in mind. So apodah means brought about. So this brought about because of some imagination. Swargat patitah. Patitah. Samsar muktah. Samsarat muktah. Apatrastah means to fear, to be afraid of. So taranga apatrastah, tarangat apatrastah, and the last one is nagara parastah. Parastah is not given here, but nagarat parastah, thrown away from the nagara, some city. Again, there is some aluk. So they have says note 4, panchaya aluk, by using the word stoka means little, antikam near or proximity, dura distance, far from, is not allied in a compound with the word ending with the ta, means past passive participle. This toka in the 5th case in sentence by the sutra, they have given the whole sutra is stoka, stokan muktah. So it is remain as it is. So if we say stokat muktah, because of this sandhi rule, ta becomes na. Stokan muktah, the freed from the smallness. Antikat gatah, antikadagatah, ta becomes the, because we know agatah. So gone away from near. Gatah means gone away. So antikat, this is wrong. They have written
It should be
wrongly.
antikad. Antikadagatah.
Antikat
Antikadagatah.
like this. Same way, this is okay. Durat agatah, come from distance. Duragatah. Kruchat muktah. Kruchah means some difficult. So freed from some difficult, painful situation. So krucha, there is a anusthana also. Krucha. Chandrayana, there are many difficult anusthana is called Krucha Chandrayana. So this is, so we have finished 6 TP,
3.
3, 5th, from 7 TP. Also will come this, here also, aluk, only in 6 TP, aluk samasa doesn't come. Otherwise in both 3 and 5th. Any question?
So
Ma'am,
any
one
way,
question. Okay.
Huh?
go ahead.
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Chandrasekhar. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I just wondering how to remember all this.
Need not to remember. More and more we read no Sanskrit sentence, automatically
Yeah.
it will come. Need not to. Even I never remember any declension. No.
Yeah.
When we more and more we are used to read this Bhashyam and even our Gita Shloka, everything it will come. When we have studied, no?
Okay.
Yeah, need not to remember anything.
We are not appearing in exam, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, understand.
Ma, one thing I was in between. You said that something that Krutant or something that Ram means you forming new dhatu that way.
Where?
You said no
Vedanta.
that what we have not learned,
Yeah, desiderative.
that Krut Pratyaya something you were saying.
Vedanta.
Yeah.
Vedantas.
We have not studied. So I don't know if it is like all jignasa, bubuksha, mumuksha,
Yeah.
all are desiderative form. Moktomicha,
Jnatum ichcham.
jnatumicha, all are desiderative form. In Sanskrit,
Jugupsa is also like that, Swaminiji.
huh?
Jugupsa also.
Jugupsa, chikirsha,
Chikirsha is kartum ichha. What about
kartumicha,
jugupsa?
bhoktumicha,
Jugupsa.
jugupsa, gopitumicha. Sometimes
Gopai
to conceal, yeah, gopa,
to protect.
yeah, gopa to conceal also. Something
Oh, okay.
to hide.
We just saw jugupsa here. That is why.
This jugupsa is different. Huh?
Different,
This
right?
jugupsa, yeah, this is
Uh-huh.
different. Yeah, this is given here.
Yes. This is
Yeah,
dislike.
this is a gup. Again, it is a conceal only.
Mm.
Sun is a desiderative pratyaya.
Yes. So it
One
is the
who-
same, right? So
Yeah,
sun pratyaya.
yeah. Sun, pratyaya. Sun is
Pipasa.
called
Pipasa is there. No?
Pipasa, chikirsha, many.
Mm. Yeah.
Chignasa, many chikirsha.
Pa plus sun pratyaya is pipasa.
Mumuksha, we are interested in mumuksha.
Moksha. Moktumicha.
The mumuksha should convert into
Jigyasa.
Jigyasa.
That's why Athato Brahma Jignasa. We are interested in this.
Mhm.
Moktumicha, everybody would like to become a liberated, but they don't know liberation is only possible by knowing only. They would like to go some another place. That's why mumuksha is not good enough. Mumuksha should convert into jignasa only. Shall we do?
Yeah.
Om Purnamada
Purnamada
Purnamidam Purnamudachyate
Purnamudachyate
Purnasya
Purnasya Purnamadaaya Purnamevavashishyate
Shanti,
Shanti
Shanti,
Shanti Hari
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 Om.
Shri Guru Namaha
Hari
Hari Om.
Okay.